In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to customize your Fibonacci like this and like this. If this is what you're interested in, please stick around. Let's dive straight into today's video. Okay, we are going to start with this one here. So I'll take this one off. So to customize your Fibonacci like this, where you have your premium and your discount like this. So what you have to do is right click on it. First, I'll just right click on it and go to settings. Click on settings, then I'll click on this template here. Click on template. I'm going to change it to default settings. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on this template here and click on apply default. So once I click on apply default, you can see here it has automatically switched back to the default settings. So I'll just click on OK. You can see how it looks, right? Now, to customize this, the first thing you do is to right click on it and go back to settings. Just click on settings. Here, I'm going to unclick the ones that are not relevant, right? So now this one is not relevant. I'm going to untick this and untick this one. One is okay. I'm not going to untick one. 2.6, I'll untick this, and this 4 points, let me just scroll down. Then this one 4.2 is not relevant. I'm going to untick this. Now let's go back to this row. Okay, this one is not relevant. I'll untick this. 0.5 is needed. 0.7, I'm going to untick this. This one I'll untick. This last one I'll also untick this. Now after this, click on OK. So this is what we have here. Okay, so to change the color, to switch the color to how you want it, I'll right click on it and click on settings. Okay, so here, this first one here, which is 0, I'm going to change this color to green. Okay, now for 1, I'm going to change 1 to red. Okay, then for 0.5, I'm going to maintain this color. This is green color. I'm just going to maintain this color here. Now let me show you what we have. After that, just go ahead and click on OK. All right, so this is what we have here. Okay, now if you want to take out this trend line here, what you are going to do is to right click on it again, go to settings, click on settings, and click on this trend line here. So once you untick this trend line, you are going to have something. And once you untick this trend line, just click on OK. You see, this is what we have. Now, if you want to take out these prices here, right click on it again, go back to settings and scroll down. Then what you do is to untick these prices here. Prices, now click on OK. This is what we have here. If you want to switch this value to this part here, what you're going to do is to right click on it again, go back to settings, scroll down like this. On these labels, I'm going to click on this left here. So I'll just go ahead and click on left and switch it to the right. Okay, so if you want it to be in the center, just click on this one, but I'm going to switch mine to the right. I'll just go ahead and click on right, and it will automatically switch it to the right like this. So this is what we have here. If you want these values here to be bold and to also change it to percentage, what we are going to do is to right click on it again, go back to settings, click on settings, scroll down like this. You come to this font size here and click on font size. If you want it to be at 16, you can just click on 16. You can see here. Then if you want to change this value to percentage, what you're going to do is to right click on it again, go back to settings, scroll down. These values here, you're going to click on it and change it to percent. After changing it, just go ahead and click on OK. So we are done with the first one. So we are going to customize the second one now. So I'll just bring my fib like this. You can see this is what we have. Then the first thing I'm going to do is to right click on it, and I will click on settings. This one is needed, this one is needed, this one is needed, right? So I'm just going to add others to it. So the part that is going to be at the discount level, I'm just going to add some to it. Now, so what we are going to do is to take the ones that are relevant. To take the ones that are relevant, this one, this is a shallow retracement. This one is not relevant. If you watch my previous video, I included this one, and this one is not relevant. We're not going to take this one. So this 0.61, we are going to take this. Okay, now let's go back to this part. 0.2, we don't need it. 0.7, we are going to take this one. Okay, now let me click on it. After ticking, the next thing is for you to click on OK. So you can see here, this is what we have here. You've seen, right? To take out this background, what I'll do is to right click on it again and go back to settings. To scroll down like this, and what I'll do is just to reduce this intensity like this, right? And after that, just go ahead and click on OK. You can see here, this is what we have here. If you want to change the whole of this color to black, just go ahead and right click on it again and go back to settings. So for this first one, I'm going to change it to black. This one, I'll also switch this to black color. This one here, I'll switch this to black. Now let's go back to this part here. For the 0.5, I'm going to switch it to black as well. Then this last one, I'll switch it to black. After that, just go ahead and click on OK. So you can see what we have here. You can see this is a 50, this is a 61%, 78, and this is the last one. This is how it looks. Now, if you want this to look bold, what you have to do is just to right click on it here. Just go ahead and click on this line tool width. Click on it, and if you want it at 3 px, you can just click on this. You can see how bold it looks. If you want the last one, just go ahead and click on this. So you can see here, this is what we have, right? So this upper part here is premium according to ICT, and this down part here is discount. From this equilibrium level here, which is 50% up, this is premium, and from this 50% down, this is discount. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. I'm going to attend to all your questions. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.